giving Balenci without Balenci price. Oh, bitch, please. I'm sorry, this shit is strong. Nobody's not sure this not liquor. I need a drink.
Hey, I'm that bitch. Pretty ass face with them lips. I got them lips, yeah. I got them hips. Curvy look, bitch, I got them well.
Hey guys, my name is LeondraNicole. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back, girl. So as you can tell by the title, you guys already know what's going on. We are about to be doing a drunk unboxing. I don't know if this ever been done before. It probably has, I don't know. But I got some Taylor Board and we finna sip, right? And unbox. I know what I ordered and stuff like that, but I have not unboxed none of this stuff, have not opened none of this stuff, except one thing I just bought it today. But I thought, let me just throw it into this haul because it is packaged up. Like they went and got it from the back. So yeah, let's just get right into it because my camera don't have that much battery. But yeah, and reason being why I'm doing a drunk unboxing is because I have not been drinking. As y'all know, I was doing a freaking fasting for my surgery, which now is pushed back 6 months from now. So yes, y'all, I'm drinking. I have not been drinking in months, okay? Your girl, I need a drink. And I'm not a teleport junkie like that, so you know, we're gonna see what it does. But I swear y'all, I had 1 cup the other day and I was missed, okay? So first thing first, let's start off with this ALDO purchase. So today I went to the mall and I was looking for a silver bag because I'm going out somewhere and I'm like, I need something to go in my outfit or whatever. I did not plan on spending $62 on this purse, but you know, it is what it is. Let's just do a little unwrapping. I already know what it looks like, but yeah, it's a Balenciaga. I call it the Balenciaga dude. I don't really want to take it out of the strings, but we can. It comes out with this little tie thingy right here. And has a little zipper thing. It is a chain strap, which I don't know if y'all are into chain straps, but I am. That's my favorite type of bag, a bag with a chain. I love chains. Like in middle school, I used to wear chain belts and stuff like that all the time. I love it so much. Then it had this little thing. Y'all know Balenciaga. Let me see, hold up. This right here, it's like a little, I don't know what the heck this is for. Honestly, maybe it's supposed to be a keychain or something. I don't know, but you know, on a Balenciaga bag, usually this is a heart-shaped mirror. So yeah, it's really cute. I really like this bag. And for $62, I'm gonna try to get as much wears as I can out of this. It's really cute. I really do like this purchase. Yeah. It's giving Balenci without Balenci price. Next, I purchased a couple of things from SHEIN. I'm not really sure what's in this bag because I know I ordered a lot more stuff than this. And I don't know why. It don't feel like everything is in it. So let's just see what's all in here. Yeah. The exit bag. Okay. Off rip, I already know what these are. These are some pants that I got from SHEIN. I'm gonna put a picture here to the side. These are the pants that I ordered from SHEIN, and I got these in a size large. I thought they would, and they look like a fucking large. Oh my gosh. I really hope these ain't that baggy. Okay, they string up. That saves the day because y'all, if y'all don't know, I don't have a big waist. So I'm kind of curvy in that area. So hopefully not, you know, hopefully that don't do me too wrong. I love the fact that it strings up at the bottom. I think that is so dope. That's so cool. Some cool pants. And then it's a cargo style. I really like that because I'm not into the super tight jeans unless I have like a loose fitted top or unless I'm wearing like a little crop top. Y'all should get the vibes. But this next item that I got, I think I know what this is. I think it's a dress. So, okay, Please don't disappoint me. Oh my God, please don't disappoint me. Because I love this dress on the model. I felt like this was so freaking dope, and I wanted something with a hoodie. So off rip, it's cute. I thought it would have been a lot more fringy. So this is a dress with the top part like this. It has a hoodie that goes on top, and then the back is out. In the back is out. This is what it looks like on the model, and this is what it looks like on me. I got this in a size medium, and I have the perfect shoes to pair with this. And yeah, I just hope that my vision comes to life, because baby, on the model it ate. So I just, what? Okay, yeah, don't blame me. My next purchase from SHEIN. The girls at my job said it's SHEIN and not SHEIN. I'm always saying SHEIN. I'm always saying SHEIN. It's SHEIN. It's SHEIN. They like, no, miss, it's SHEIN. So SHEIN, whatever. This next top is like just this little cute little flimsy top. I feel like I could have made this at the crib, but it was literally $2. So yeah, it has holes right here on the side, and on the other side it's supposed to be like a halter top, and then it ties around the neck. This is what it looks like on the mademoiselle, and then this is what it looks like on your girl. Hope the love handles is not a love handling right now, because if it is, yeah baby, you're gonna have to go on a diet before you wear this. Moving along to my next purchase, which, like, this is one of the things I'm really excited about, because I have the perfect look for this. Like, I can't even tell y'all what I'm pairing it with. I purchased something else like a year ago, and I have not worn it because I've been saving it for this specific look. But it is a crop top hoodie, and yes, y'all, I'm into the hoodie era right now. I don't know, I just think it's so cute. Then it has the back out, and I got this in a size medium. Probably should have gotten it in a small, but we shall see. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the model, or this is what it looks like on display, and this is what it looks like on me. And yeah, I cannot wait to pair this with my outfit. So y'all, this next purchase I'm super excited about, but I'm also kind of irritated about it at the same time, because I purchased in my last vlog, or the vlog before last, I think it's my last vlog that you guys seen. No, it's the vlog where I was telling you guys that I had bad news, which if you guys have not seen that vlog, I need y'all to stop this video and go see that. Or as soon as you click out of here, baby, you better go over there to that vlog and watch it. I'm telling you, like, you need to watch it. Yeah, I bought an outfit from this boutique called Shop Jador Fancy, and I really love the outfit. But I bought that because I didn't know if the outfit that I bought from SHEIN was gonna be here on time. And y'all, look at this. This is so funny to me, because it's like, girl, what you want with this? It's so tiny. This is so tiny. It reminds me of those TikToks that the girls be doing, where it be like, you know what I'm gonna do with this. But y'all, I cannot wait to put this on. So this is what it looked like on the model, and this is what it's looking like on me. Really hope that my boobie, my areolas is not showing, because that would be not cute. But you know, you get what you pay for. I think I paid like 14 bucks for this, but yeah, it's super cute. I love the color. I feel like the color matches my skin so well. Like, oh, baby. So this next purchase is pretty basic. A lot of these pieces I got to wear with like specific things that I already have, or things that I have in mind. And it's just this next top. It's really basic. It's almost like a tube top slash halter top. It has the thing that goes around the neck. This fabric is like, I wish you guys can see it a little better, but the fabric is like that with the holes in it. It kind of reminds me of like waffle material, like a robe. Anyways, this is what it looks like on display, or the model, and this is what it looks like on me. Probably should have gotten this in the small, but I am a little big back now, so I just got it in a medium to be safe. So I went on a little shopping splurge because I was really depressed. I was really sad at first, the thing that scared me the most was seeing that I had a mass in my breast. That scared me, but at the same time, I'm like, there's no way. Like, how is there something? I don't feel anything. So when I went and did the mammogram at the hospital, I was super relieved when they're like, yeah, no, we don't see anything. Anyways, let me drink. I felt really bad though because I had my stepmom fly out here. She took off from work. Her cousin came with her as well because yeah, it was just a lot and I felt really bad. So I was gonna get right back to work, but I was just like, you know, F that. My people came here to, you know, help me and support me, and I'm not gonna just leave them in the house because they're here for a week and some change, and I'm not gonna just leave them in the house with no means to get around. And by the way, if
fun.
you guys want to see me install this or how I did this, please go click and watch the video previous to this. I uploaded me installing this weave. Moving on to my next purchase. This purchase I got from Farfetch. I've never ordered from Farfetch before, but I see a lot of people order from Farfetch, so I'm just like, you know, why not? And I see a lot of people be using that little box cutter, the cute little tiny box cutter, and I don't know how much that crap costs, but baby, these scissors is gonna do. Like, what I gotta get all that extra stuff for? Okay, what the hell ever. I just had to rip that because, oh bitch, please, why did it open like that? Okay, so my next purchase is this box is dirty as fuck at the bottom. Anyways, my next purchase, lemons. This is the dust bag. It comes with it. Obviously, it comes two dust bags because there are two sneakers. Well, I purchased the curbside sneakers, and these are it. These, I've been wanting these for a really long time. I finally decided to make the purchase on them. It's a really cute shoe. It's so exotic, and in person they're like, oh, they're so cute. I can't, okay, let me try them on. And off rip, they have two shoestrings. Yeah, they have two shoestrings. So this is a perfect fit, y'all. I actually have extra room. I was really skeptical. I'm like, dang, should I size up when I was ordering it? Because I ordered these online from Farfetch, like I said. And I'm like, dang, should I size up? But I'm super glad that I did not size up and I got my right size, y'all, because these are definitely true to size. If you are a 9, baby, get you a 9 in these, okay? If you are 8, get you an 8, because these, and I have narrow feet. Just for reference, I have very narrow feet. This is a wide shoe because this is like a skater based shoe. And yeah, it gets really wide. So if you have wide feet, maybe only if you have wide feet would you want to. I honestly feel like this is still gonna be true to size. I'm starting to feel it because I'm hot, baby. It is hot. Depending on what you describe as expensive, it's kind of an expensive shoe. I'm sorry, this shit is strong. Nobody not sure that's not liquor. It's a chicken salad. Ugh. Okay, so last but not least, I purchased some rings today. Hold up. These are given. Definitely need smaller, daintier rings though to accommodate the big pieces. I love me a good thumb ring though, y'all. Just gotta put that out there. I love me a good thumb ring, and I also love me a pinky ring. So definitely have to get me a mid pinky ring or a middle finger ring. I have to get those, but yeah. Once I get in my bag for real, Cartier, I'm coming for that ring. Do not be scared to comment and interact with me. I don't buy it unless you know what I mean. Just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. But yeah, comment in the comment section below. You know, meet me there. Meet me there. Beat me there. Don't meet me there. Beat me in the comment section. But that is all that I have for you guys today. My name is LeondraNicole. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next upload. Later, babes. Ciao.